Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install OBS Studio scenes for a professional YouTube live setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't installed OBS Studio yet, download it from the official website and follow the installation prompts. Once OBS Studio is open, familiarize yourself with the main interface. Locate the scenes box in the lower left corner. Click the plus button to create a new scene. Name your scene appropriately for easy identification. After creating the scene, move to the sources box right next to it. Click the plus button in the sources box to add a new source. Choose the source type based on what you want to display, such as display capture for your screen or video capture device for your webcam. If you select display capture, a new window will open. Choose the screen you wish to capture and click OK. For video capture device, select your webcam from the drop-down menu and adjust the settings as needed, then click OK. Repeat the source addition process for any additional elements, like images, text, or game captures. Once all desired sources are added, you can arrange them in the scene. Click and drag sources to reposition them as needed. Use the edge handles to resize each source for better layout. To enhance your live stream, consider adding audio sources. Click the plus button under Sources again and choose Audio Input Capture for your microphone. Select your microphone from the device list and click OK. You can also add Audio Output Capture to include any sound playing on your computer. Now, navigate to Settings in the lower right corner to adjust your overall stream settings. In the Stream section, input your streaming service information, such as YouTube. Go to the Output tab and set a recording quality and bitrate appropriate for your internet connection. In the Audio tab, verify your sample rate matches your microphone settings. Finally, check the Video tab to set your bass and output resolution, along with your desired frame rate. Once settings are configured, click OK to save your changes. You are now ready to preview your scene. Click Start Streaming in the main OBS interface to go live. Monitor your stream to ensure everything is working smoothly. Make adjustments to your scenes and sources as needed during your live session. Your professional YouTube live setup is now complete and ready for action. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.